guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah Sharp Fitness and today I'm going to show you how to make a absolutely delicious sleepy face scrub that you can use with your leftover tea. And then you can drink your sleepy tea, go to bed with delicious smooth skin, feeling fresh and amazing. So this face scrub has 4 ingredients. It's super simple, so let me show you. Little bit of water there, and then you can apply some very delicate scrub. It's not harsh and it will not hurt you in any way. So soft and creamy. So just have a nice little massage, rubbing it into the skin there, and then if you want to, you can leave it on for 5 minutes. Alright, I'll be back in a Okay, I'm back. So after 5 minutes, there would have been enough time for it to dry on your face, as you can see. And now I'm going to wash it up.